it needs commitment. People don't want to sit down and do meditate every day. They just say, okay, give me the pill, I'll take the pill. My blood pressure comes down, I can see the instant results, I'm happy. But then...
So my husband had a very stressful job, and he never had blood pressure problem, and now it's gone, and he's off medication.
Thank you. Thank you. You are saying the same thing.
So really, I mean, I've seen it in him, and during that hectic time, like he meditates, but he was just like torn between, you know, so much to do.
Yeah.
So, but now he, just by being more aware, he has just reversed it without doing away without medication, which is huge in the long run, and so it's doable. It totally is.
So there was another analogy. I mean, for me to tell a kid or a teenager or a patient, it should be something which they can understand. I can talk meditation science, but if the science is not getting in there, they're not taking the message which we're trying to drill in. So one analogy which I really liked was, if we're all like smartphones. We have everything in us, all of us, and we can function very smart like a smartphone. But if the charge is not there, you see only one bar on the charge, you know that you're not going to be functioning at your optimum. So when you meditate in the morning or whenever you do, you are actually charging yourself, equipping with complete set of energy to say, okay, now I'll deal with whatever stress is coming my way. And that's what meditation does.
And I think together with yoga, they are just very complementary and has whole.
And I think we are bringing yoga next week as one of the events. So I think we started with the nutrition. We started with a goal setting and resolution talk first, Justin's. Then there was, I think, nutrition. Then there was in between some fun events. So this is meditation. It's a little bit off, but we are going towards yoga next week. So I'll introduce Nirav. He has been practicing for 11 years. Inner light meditation, that's another style. There are different styles. Like I said, you probably will have to go home and read about all the styles and pick what works with yours. And stage is all yours.
Thank you. Yeah, good evening. Wonderful to have you here. Wonderful to be here. First of all, how long should we go? So you want to go to 5. How about everybody else? 5:15? 5:15 is a good target?
I would like 5.
5? Everybody wants to leave at 5?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Now we can start. Yes. Now we can start. Okay, so end at 5. Perfect. So.
There might be some people who want to stay. And I don't have to go to the game.
Okay, so you can stay longer?
5:30.
5:30? Okay.
He doesn't want
What we'll have
because he wants to go to
but the speaker has to go. So what we'll do is we'll let Nirav complete the session, and then I'll stay back. And I can answer questions or...
I can stay till 5:30, no problem. No problem. All right, so our topic of discussion is hip-hop dancing. And meditation. And I said, Revti covered some of the benefits, and I'll quickly cover them just to kind of have an unmet need from all of you. Why should I even do this? Why should I even listen to this? What's the need for me, right? So there's, I put into 4 categories: physical benefits, mental benefits, emotional benefits, and spiritual benefits, right? So physical benefits, that's really around reducing stress and diseases caused by stress. So do you know what diseases are caused by stress? Anything? No, you can't answer it. Yes.
High blood pressure.
Yeah, but what kind of diseases are caused by stress? Hello, welcome.
Diabetes, hypertension.
Diabetes,
anxiety.
hypertension, anxiety, blood pressure. What else? You'd be amazed at how many diseases are covered. Skin disease, rashes, chronic disease, breathing problems,
Aging.
stomach problems, digestion problems.
Aging.
Yeah, hair problems. Right? So not only are we helping reduce stress, which by itself is great, but we are also minimizing diseases caused by stress. All these examples. So if you can have an impact on all of those, imagine the value, right? That's number 1. Number 2, mental benefits. So what are mental benefits? 1 is improving your focus and concentration on anything you do. Not just during meditation, but anything you do afterwards. You're cooking, you're going to be better. You're reading, you're going to be better. You're looking at Facebook, you're going to be better. I just happen to look at it. Right? I mean, main point is anything you do, you'll be better at it because you'll be focusing better, being more productive, more efficient. Right? Another mental benefit is your angle of vision will change on any problems you have. So you're able to see things from a higher angle and come up with better solutions because of that. So your angle of vision changes when you meditate, and therefore you have better solutions to your problems. Not that you have problems, but in case you do. That's number 2. How many have I covered so far?
2.
So, and how many left?
2.
Okay, that's good. You're paying attention. The third is emotional benefits. Emotional. What kind of emotional issues do we face in life?
Anger.
Anger. What else?
Anxiety.
Depression. Anxiety. Resentment. Jealousy. Why does she have that and not me? Look at those shoes.
Stop looking at me.
I know, no. Right? Jealousy. What else? Anything else? Sadness. Right? So all these negative emotions, if you meditate, you'll be amazed. They just wither away. Shh, it's gone. Like, fall day, how the leaves just go away. Like that. Emotions disappear. So, and then last but not least, spiritual benefits. So, what does spiritual mean?
Connecting to a higher power.
Connecting to a higher power, right? And so, one might say, what does that mean? That's too abstract for me.
Finding your higher self.
Yeah, higher power, but why should I connect with the higher power, right? I mean, it's a little abstract. So let me give you...
Self-realize.